What's good, YouTube? Went to the yard, found another information center for the console, and another switch for the folding mirrors. I'm gonna sell this one though. Information center. I'm figuring out the wires, but I know what it is really. So I got it though. I gotta go get the console, and I'm gonna have this actually working with the car, cause if I'm not mistaken, the yellow it's gonna be like data. This green gonna be some kind of data too. Just gotta figure it out. Gotta, yeah, it ain't gonna be too hard. But yeah, we on it. Yeah, just want to show y'all that. You got it for free.